Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron na naman tayo uling package galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang seller ay si Hania 5208.
Tungkol ba saan ito?
So ang order ko rito guys is portable vacuum cleaner. I-checkin natin kung legit siya or scam.
Bakit hindi? Walang mawawala sa'yo.
So ayan guys, silyado pa yan guys.
Years later.
So naka bubble wrap guys. Mura lang to guys, nasa around 150 lang yata.
Pwede na!
Malalaman natin kung legit si seller or scam.
Paano masabi?
Legit si seller guys. Legit si Hania 5208. So ito yung portable vacuum. Legit siya guys. Thank you for watching.